Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a question on dividing fractions. Now we've got to do 7 over 10 divided by 2. We've got to write the answer in this box here and it will give you 1 mark in the exam. Now our key facts to help you do that. We need to think of KFC. This is the main way to help you remind or how to do dividing fractions. So as soon as you see any fractions with a division, think KFC. So the K stands for keep, the F stands for flip, and the C stands for change. So we're going to look at the steps and how KFC can help us. So this question here, we're looking at dividing by a whole number. If you're dividing by a whole number, you need to write this whole number as a fraction before you start. Now remember, to convert any number to a fraction, if you divide it by 1, the number will stay the same. So for example, 5 divided by 1 is 5, so 5 over 1 is the same as 5. So write this number here as a fraction, and then you can go on to use KFC. So step 2 is the beginning of KFC, which is the keep. So we write down the first fraction. So you're going to write down the first fraction that's given. The F stands for the flip, which means we're going to swap the second fraction upside down. So this second fraction you've got here, you're going to write next to it with a bit of a gap in the middle and flip it upside down. And then the C stands for change. And we change this divide symbol in the middle to a multiply. You're then going to multiply your numerators as you do for normal fractions, remembering the numerators are the numbers at the top, and then the denominators are the numbers underneath. So we're going to multiply the denominators. You then need to cancel your fraction if it will cancel. Now get yourself a pen and paper, press pause, and then have a go at working out the answer. When you've got an answer, press play to hear the answers. So you see if you've got the answer correct. Fantastic. So hopefully you've managed to use KFC to help you work out the answer to this question. So first of all, it says write the number as a fraction. So we're going to write this as over 1. So 2 over 1 writes it as a fraction. We're then going to keep the first one. So the K is for keep. So we're going to keep the 7 over 10. We're now going to flip. So we're going to flip the second fraction to become 1 over 2 rather than 2 over 1. And then we're going to change. And we're going to change this to be a multiply in the middle. Now I'm going to multiply by numerators, so step 5. So 7 times 1 is 7. And then I've got 10 times 2 for my denominators, which is going to give me 20. So my answer is 7 over 20. This will not cancel down because there is a number that goes into 7 and 20. So this answer needs to get written in the box here. Give yourself a big tick if you got that correct. Well done, and remember to keep remembering KFC to help you divide fractions. The mark scheme on this question shows the answer is 7 over 20 for 1M, which means 1 method mark. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at maths. Remember, tell your friends. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.